backstage. Mahatma Gandhi once said, great people are not known by the looks they have or the clothes they wear. They're known by the deeds they do. और सही बोला था उन्होंने कि एक कर्मयोगी की पहचान उसकी कपड़ों से, शक्ल सूरत से नहीं, उसके कर्मों से होती है. कुछ ऐसे ही कर्मयोगियों को आज हम स्टेज पर इनवाइट करके सम्मानित कर रहे हैं. Let's move on to the fifth category of the student awards, the IAD Best Student Architect Residential Award. Awards are by selection of the assumed architecture, part done by bungalow, apartment, villa, flat, independent house, farmhouse and related projects designed during the calendar year 2008 and 2009. The nominees for the student architecture residential category are Mr. Umang Mukund Dalal from Indubhai Parekh School of Architecture, Rajkot. Vikas Shukla from Madhava Institute of Technology and Science, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. And Abhimanyu Gupta from CCA, Chandigarh. And to deliver the award, to give away the awards, I'd like to call up on the dais the star of the evening, Ashok Masti. Can we have the applause, please, all of you, for Ashok Masti? Come on, people, let's hear it for Ashok Masti. Come on, he's been performing for all of you. Let's hear it for Ashok Masti, the performer of the wonderful evening here, the IID Awards 2009. 3 nominees are here. And now let's go 3, 2, 1. The third IAD Best Student Architect Residential Award goes to Abhimanyu Gupta. Abhimanyu is an alumni of the Chandigarh College of Architecture, is a prolific thinker and a highly analytical person. Functionality, practicality and emphasis on the basic design principles and services of a building are the hallmark of his design philosophy. That is Abhimanyu for you. Congratulations. The second IAD Best Student Architect Residential Award goes to Vikas Shukla. Vikas has recently completed his architecture from MITS, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and has been working with architects ever since the second year of his graduate studies. Congratulations, sir. And as I say, the ultimate award in each category, there's always a number 2 and 3, but the number 1 remembered for times to come. The first IAD Best Student Architecture Residential Award goes to Umang Mukund Dalal from, as you see, can you hear the applause, please, from the Indubhai Parekh School of Architecture, Rajkot. He's a final year student of the college. With God's grace, his academic career in college is of good grace and is lucky enough to get a family legacy in the same field. So congratulations to him as well.